Today I'm going to show you our commercial snow machine. We have several of these in stock, and this is used mainly for larger events, Christmas tree lightings, grand entranceways, drive-through events. What's best about this is it does come with 30 feet of hose, so you want to extend the hose as high as possible. That way it throws out the snow as far as it can. It will spread out this effective snow from 30 to 50 feet. It does hold 5 gallons of snow fluid. Of continuous use of a good dusting, it will last about 3 hours. You can have it go a very light dusting or a very big snow flurry. It just uses a little bit more if you're going to go heavier on the snow. I'm going to give you a sample of how it works. This one does come with a remote, so you don't have to stand in front of the machine. You can close the lid, as you can see, to hide it. It does look like a Christmas present. And you can press the machine, and I hope you enjoy. You can aim it whatever way you like. Thanks for checking out our snow machine rental. And like I said, this is the commercial use. If you have any questions, give us a call, or if you'd like to reserve them, that's fine too. We have 6 of them in stock, ready to go. Thanks a lot.